Let me tell you how to install the kit on your bike. These are all the kit accessories. Removing and installation of the front wheel. Take out the tire from your bike. Install your original bike disc brake pad on our motor wheel. Then install the motor wheel on the bike. Please pay attention to the motor screw position when you install the wheel on the bike. Please turn over your bike. Install the pedal assist speed sensor. Unload the crankset and arm. Then fit the silver ring on the axle. Put the axle back to the bicycle. After this, fit the magnet disc on the axle. Make the chain wheel and crank back. Please pay attention to the PAS wire. It will connect with the controller later. Loose the brake screw on your bike. Take your original brake levers and the grips off. Fit the electric brake levers and the throttle on the handlebar. Insert the brake lines to the electric brake levers. Release screws on the bracket of the display and fit it on the handlebar. Adjust the display's location and tighten the screw. Install the original grip and the shifter lever back to the handlebar. Now we fit it. Connect all the wire from throttle, display, brake, front light with main cable. Red color connect with red color. Yellow color connect with yellow color. Then fix all of them. Install the front light on the front fork. Install the motor cable. Tidy all the wires and then fix them by the zip tie if necessary. Now we fix the kettle battery carrier on the frame. Please take note for controller wire connect method. The connector need to connect very tight. Those are very important. We have the photo show how to connect them correctly on the website. If you need anything help, please contact with us. Put the controller in the controller box. Fix all the screws on the back of the controller box. Fix the controller box on the frame. Install the battery on the carrier. Turn on the display. The motor will turn when you use the throttle or PAS. If you use the PAS, the light will become red. These are all the steps, so enjoy your DIY e-bicycle.